Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I've got GoPro 11 today with me and I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of this GoPro 11 that I have got. So without wasting any time, let's see what comes in the box. I've already done the unboxing of this GoPro 11, but let me show you the contents of this box. So GoPro 11 comes with obviously the GoPro. This is GoPro 11. Nothing much has changed just apart from 10 to 11. As you can see, the blue branding, it comes there. Let me keep that aside. Biggest upgrade that GoPro 11 has this Enduro battery. So like out of the box, it comes with this Enduro battery, which is really good in those colder weather. This battery lasts slightly longer than the standard blue battery that comes with GoPro 10 and GoPro 9. So this Enduro battery is really good. And it also comes with one mount, which is pretty standard. Other than that, it comes with the cable, obviously, to charge it. In 2022, I think they should upgrade their cable to USB-C to USB-C. It currently comes with USB-A to USB-C. I think GoPro, if you're listening, you could upgrade your cable that comes in the box, and some paperwork, obviously warranty information and all those things. And because I've bought this as part of the subscription plan, it comes with the details as well. So let's talk about the cost now. So in 2022 September, this GoPro 11 costs $399 if you're buying it with the GoPro subscription, which is yearly subscription that gives you a lot of benefits when you're buying accessories. It gives you a lot of discounts in that front, and it comes with the GoPro cloud storage where you can save your images and videos. So I would highly suggest, if you're buying this new and if you're buying in 2022, go with the GoPro yearly subscription thing. You can buy this GoPro 11 for $400. If you don't want to buy that subscription, this costs $500. So without subscription, it's $500. With subscription, it's $400. So obviously logical choice is to go with GoPro subscription. Other than that, let me tell you the other features of this GoPro 11. So it still comes with the hydrophobic coating on the lens, which obviously helps when you're shooting in rain or when there are some water drops on it. So it kind of doesn't stay on top of it. So that's a really good thing. It has the same processor, if I'm not wrong, the same image processor, but biggest bump is in the sensor. And now it comes with 8:7 sensor, which if you are a content creator in 2022, you must have that sensor because it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can shoot in 9:16 if you're doing TikTok videos or Instagram reels, and you can go 16:9 if you're doing YouTube videos, and you can go 1:1 if you're going for Instagram posts. So this sensor, because it is a kind of a weird sensor size, I would say 8:7 is not very common, but that opens a lot of capabilities. So it is really good in that front. Also with GoPro 11, now when you are clicking the pictures, so photo resolution has got slight bump. Now it shoots in 27 megapixel. Previously it used to shoot in 23 megapixel. So compared to 10, it has got a slight bump in image resolution. And it comes with hyper smooth stabilization 5.0. If you have used the past GoPros, you already know that GoPro does really good work with their stabilization. But with GoPro 11, they have just taken it to the another level now. So it comes with hyper smooth 5.0, which is incredible. It gives you very stable, very smooth looking videos. Let's say you're biking or adventure riding, you get really good and crisp, smooth videos out of this camera because of that hyper smooth. So guys, that was a quick unboxing and review of GoPro 11. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.